Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Kensthetic with the Kensthetics, and in today's video I will be unboxing and sharing my thoughts and opinions of Fenty Beauty's new Eau De Parfum called Bridgetown with you guys. So if you guys are interested in hearing my thoughts and seeing me unbox the product and me telling you guys is it really worth the money or not, then go ahead and keep on watching. Before we get started, do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit that red subscribe button down below and join the family because we're doing lit things over here. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy it and drop a comment down below with your thoughts, comments, questions, opinions, anything that's in your mind. Leave it down below, and without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So before we get started with the video, I wanted to give you guys details on the look. So my hair are in these butterfly locks done by _Kimmy on Instagram. I'll link her down below. I literally just got my retwist done yesterday, and when I tell y'all that the hair is on fleek, the hair is on fleek, okay? The face is on fleek as well. I just did my updated everyday makeup routine. If you guys didn't see that video, I'll link it up above and down below. But that's basically what I did. And of course, I had to put the Fenty Beauty on my lips one time for the one time. So this is the Honey Waffles Fenty Gloss Bomb Cream in Honey Waffles. I said that already. But yeah, that's what's on my lips. My earrings are from a black owned brand. I will go ahead and tag it on the screen and link it down below. And then I have on this Skims Fits Everybody bodysuit because y'all know Skims is that girl if y'all don't know by now. But yeah, so that's today's look. So now we're gonna go ahead and get into the fragrance, the reason why you guys are all here. So in case you guys don't know, Fenty Beauty announced that they are entering the fragrance world, which is kind of no surprise to us because Fenty Beauty's taking over, okay? Fenty Beauty, Fenty Skin, we're hearing rumors of Fenty Hair. So when she announced her fragrance, I'm like, oh, this is a game changer, okay? Everyone always wonders how Rihanna smells. One thing about my sis Rihanna, she never shares details about what she's wearing when it comes to fragrances. Nobody knows what Rihanna smells like unless somebody met Rihanna, okay? But people always comment on her fragrance. Like there was a whole thread on Twitter a while back of people speaking about what she smells like and trying to guess like what perfume she wears. So when she announced that she was coming out with a fragrance, I'm like, oh, we gonna finally find out what Rihanna smell like. I'm here for it, okay? So first I'm going to go ahead and unbox the fragrance with you guys on camera, and then I'm going to get into more details about the notes of the fragrance, the inspiration of the fragrance, and all of that, so that, you know, we could just see her first and then get into it. So this is the packaging that it comes in. I showed you guys earlier in the video that this was what was inside the box basically. So this is just like a nice little wrapping. I'm here for this because in case you guys don't know, I just love a good packaging, right? Especially with the amount of coin that I dropped on this. I'm like, I thought Rihanna was coming to deliver to my front door, okay? But I'll take this. I'll take this for now. Rihanna, if you want to come deliver your next one to my front door, then you know my addy. So I'm gonna end them down. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. Ooh, whoever wrapped this, they need to come over to wrap for Christmas, because when I tell you she is nipped and tucked, nipped and tucked. And then inside you can see the fragrance box, a little ribbon. I just popped it. Okay, at this point, the fragrance. So it has this little card with a picture of Riri on it. Super cute. I'm definitely going to hang this up in my room. So not only did I pay for a fragrance, but I also paid for a small size print, okay? So this is the packaging of the fragrance. It's this Fenty Blue, which is no stranger to us. If you ever ordered anything from Fenty Fashion House when Rihanna was selling like her clothes, her sunglasses, and her shoes, this is pretty much a packaging that the items had. So it also has a sticker on the top with what I believe is, I don't know if this is the Fenty logo or just like the Fenty fragrance logo, but that is at the top. Hopefully you guys can see. Yes, that's there. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up, and then we have the box. So ooh, it slides out, y'all. This is so fire. Like, do y'all see that? Do y'all see that? And maybe I need to put it closer. Do y'all see that little slide out moment? I'm definitely keeping this box. I'm paying for everything, okay? I paid for the picture. I paid for Santa Claus to wrap it. I paid for the box. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and take it out now. I'm just so hype about this. So freaking hype. So I just pushed it out, and it has like this styrofoam thing to keep it in. So I'm gonna go ahead and close it. Okay guys, so this is the fragrance. I am so friggin' hyped for this. So on the packaging, what does it say? It just says Eau De Parfum, made in France, which we're gonna speak about. And it is under the LVMH fragrance brand. So this is Bridgetown. This is 2.5 fluid ounces, and the cost of this fragrance is $120 USD. After shipping, taxes, and all of that, I ended up paying $130, just to give you guys a sense of that. And I do live in the Bronx, New York, so I'm not sure, you know, that makes a difference with the taxes, but not the cost of the product, okay? So this is the fragrance. So to give you guys some background details on this fragrance, as I mentioned earlier, Rihanna entering the fragrance world should be no surprise to us because people are always mysterious about what she smells like. But she actually did a collab back in 2010 where she launched 11 fragrances with a fragrance house by the name of Parlux. So this is not the first time Rihanna's stepping into fragrances, okay? She said, I am true to this, I am not new to this. So the notes of this fragrance are sensual magnolia, seductive musk, vibrant fruit including tangerine and blueberry, hints of Bulgarian rose absolute, geranium, I think that's how it's pronounced, and patchouli. And it's also described as an intimate unisex scent. So I cannot wait to smell her, but we're gonna do that together. This fragrance is also described as having no dry down, so the scent doesn't need time to, you know, dissolve into a robust scent. As soon as you spray it, it is what it is. You get what you get, okay? So a lot of fragrances, when you spray them, you have to wait a while to get the true scent of what they're gonna smell like. And I was doing research and they said that this fragrance, as soon as you spray it, it is what it is. You're gonna get what you get, okay? And also this fragrance is inspired by all of Rihanna's favorite places, including Barbados, the name Bridgetown, New York, Los Angeles, and Paris. And Rihanna created this fragrance in France, which makes her one of the first Black women to create a fragrance in the south of France. So okay, so now I want to actually open her up so that we can smell her. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the top off. This is such like a monumental moment for me. I have not opened this fragrance. If I didn't say that already, I haven't smelled it. So we're doing all of this together, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead. I already smell her. Okay, let me just go ahead and spray it. So I don't have anything on right now. I don't even have on a drop of lotion. So if I look ashy, then don't come for me. But I want it to be nice and raw so that I can actually smell what Rihanna's blessing us with, okay? Rihanna, girl, this smells so interesting. It's like a fruity floral scent. You can really smell like the blueberry and you can really smell the patchouli. That's what I'm smelling first. Those are the two notes that I'm like, yeah, I know that's in there. I can confirm that's in there. It smells so elegant. It smells so luxe. It smells so... Woo, Rihanna did a thing or two with this scent, okay? This fragrance has a very interesting scent because I feel like we're used to fragrances being boxed in certain categories, like, oh, it's a fruity scent, or oh, it's a floral scent, oh, it's a musky scent. But honestly, I feel like this fragrance is a mix of everything and I'm not even mad at it. Like, it has just enough musk, it has just enough fruit, it has just enough floral. It's just a nice calm mix. Also, this scent, when I smell certain things, I say like, oh, this is more of like a spring scent, or oh, this is more of a summer scent, or oh, this is more of a winter scent. Since it is to me like a mixture of each of those buckets, I feel like this is a perfect scent for fall, for winter, for spring and summer. It's very vague and I can definitely see how it's described as like a unisex fragrance because it doesn't give me male, it doesn't give me female. The musk in it, I feel like gives it like that of masculinity, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I really love the scent personally. So I know fragrances are kind of hard to review or hard to, you know, find videos on. I can't really compare it to anything that I currently have in my fragrance collection because when I tell you guys that this scent is unique, it is unique. And I was reading online that Rihanna chose like the size of this bottle because it fits perfectly in her palm. But Rihanna, if we have the safe side hands, then just say that, okay? But it fits perfectly into my hands. With it being 2.5 fluid ounces, I thought that the bottle was going to be bigger than this, which I'm not even mad about because if y'all know me, if y'all know my fragrance collection, I have but so much space for anything else. So the size of this bottle is actually perfect to me. So I am in love with this fragrance. My overall thoughts, let's go ahead and get into it, okay? The price, $120. At first, I wasn't expecting it to be so much, or I was expecting there to be different options, like a 1 fluid ounce bottle for, like, you know, obviously a lower price, a 1.7 fluid ounce bottle. But I feel like I don't know what they're planning to do with this, because I don't even know if when they drop it, if it's going to be like a 1-day purchasing or if it's going to be on their site forever. There's not really much details about that yet, but at first I'm like $120. But at the same time, it's comparable to a lot of other fragrances that I have that I paid way more money for that are only 1 fluid ounce or 1.7 fluid ounce. So the fact that you're getting 2.5 fluid ounces for only $120, and I'm saying only because when you compare it to other like luxe fragrance brands like YSL, I don't want to say Tom Ford because I feel like Tom Ford is, but I would compare it to like a YSL because I have quite a few YSL fragrances in my collection. I would say that you're getting a good bang for your buck. 2.5 fluid ounces for $120. Where else you gonna get that? Comment down below and let me know. And the fact that this is an Eau De Parfum for $120, 2.5 fluid ounces, you're definitely getting your money's worth because Eau De Parfums last long on your skin. You don't have to like reapply them throughout the day. Especially this scent, as I mentioned, when you spray it, you got what you got. Like, they didn't lie about that. It doesn't require any dry down. So yeah, I 100% love that about this fragrance as well. The shape of the bottle, I love it. It's nice and compact, but at the same time, it has like a nice, elegant, unique look to it. The shape of the bottle, the details on the bottle cap, the color of the bottle, brown. Like, come on. And also, I was reading online that Rihanna made this bottle brown because that's her favorite color, and brown describes everything that like was the inspiration for this fragrance, who she is, where she's from, who she's making it for. So I really love the color of the bottle and the whole story and background behind that as well. So yes, if I haven't convinced you by now, I would definitely say this is a fragrance that you should add to your collection. Just some more details on accessibility of the perfume. So I was able to pick it up 2 days ago because I saw that Trend Mood posted that it was available. So I just clicked the link that they provided on Twitter and I was able to purchase it. But I believe that what Fenty did is they only released a certain amount in that early access. So by the time I put it on my Instagram stories and you guys swiped up to try to purchase it, it was already gone. So the official launch of this fragrance is August 10th, but they are offering early access on August 9th if you provide your email address for their email listing. So if you guys want to get your hands on this, I would highly recommend to go on fentybeauty.com. I'll have the link for the direct like fragrance for you guys to go ahead and put your emails in, so y'all can go ahead and pick it up on August 9th because we don't have time for the general release on August 10th. We need her as early as possible. We need her pronto, okay? So make sure you guys go ahead and enter your email at that link that I will have down below. But yes, early access is August 9th if you give them your email, and then general release is August 10th on fentybeauty.com. Also, Fenty Beauty is running an offer right now which you guys can take advantage of because I'm recording this video on August 6th and it's going up. No, I'm recording this on August 5th and it's going up on August 6th. So Fenty Beauty is running an offer right now where if you purchase $40 worth of products on their website, they give you a sample of this perfume for free with your order. So that way, before you go ahead and splurge and you're like, I don't know if I really want to get this, I don't know if I really want to spend $120, which is fine. You know, like, you want to know what you're paying for before you pay for it because it is not in store, so you can't even like go in store and smell it. So I think that's a perfect marketing tool that Fenty Beauty is using, because not only are they giving you a sample of their perfume, but at the same time, you know, you're purchasing other products from them, so you can go ahead and re-up on your favorite Fenty Beauty products. So go ahead and try out Fenty Beauty for the first time if you guys want to try that sample of this amazing perfume. So that's an option you guys have too. I was reading their Instagram comments and this is not going to be available on Sephora.com on August 10th. Also, I was reading Fenty Beauty's comments and I'm not sure if when they drop it on August 10th, if it's going to be the first day available for this fragrance or the only day available for this fragrance. They haven't given us too much details on that yet, and I don't know if I'm like thinking outside the box and I'm like, is it like a 1-day thing? Is it a like forever thing. So I'm not too sure about that. So I would just recommend to follow Fenty Beauty and look out for updates on that as well. So right now this fragrance is only going to be available on fentybeauty.com, and I also saw that they said they were working on international shipping. So I know that I got a lot of international people watching my videos. So for you guys, I would just recommend to follow Fenty Beauty and keep up with their updates when they say like, oh, you know, like this is available now, this is available here. So if you are international, you guys can go ahead and get your hands on her as soon as possible, because when I tell y'all Bridgetown, this is about to be my new everyday scent. It just smells so good. So yes, when I say Fenty Beauty did that, Fenty Beauty did that, okay? So I did want to give you guys some details on the shipping as well. So I ordered this from Fenty Beauty's website 2 days ago, and it came in the mail today, okay? My UPS man pulled up Jesse, and he brought her to me 2 days after I purchased it. So I was really impressed by that, because not only do I don't order Fenty Beauty from Fenty Beauty's website often unless they have a sale, but the fact that this perfume just dropped and they were able to send it to me, get it to me in 2 days, I was like, okay, Fenty. But yeah, shipping was super quick, I will say that. So I'm not sure if they're gonna carry the same energy for the general release, but for this early access release, I got her pretty quickly, so I was happy about that as well. So by now, if I have not convinced y'all, I'm just summarizing it all and saying that you need Bridgetown in your life. So to give you guys my general overview of Bridgetown Eau De Parfum from Fenty Beauty, I would say that I don't think it's overhyped. I think that it is worth every cent. It smells so good. One thing about me, one thing that I love is when I have on a fragrance and I can go in public and so many people compliment me, like that just makes me feel like I'm that bitch, okay? So I cannot wait to wear her in public. I'm wearing her tomorrow when I go out for dinner, okay? And I cannot wait to hear people say like, what fragrance is that? I'm gonna be like, oh, that's that Fenty Beauty, okay? That's what Riri smell like. Like Kendra, I smell like Rihanna right now. So so yes, I am really excited about this fragrance. Fenty Beauty did an amazing job. I am super, super impressed. So shout out to the Fenty Beauty team. Shout out to Rihanna for gracing us with this amazing fragrance. And I cannot wait. I can't wait to see Fenty Beauty give us more fragrance, because I know this is not the end of fragrance when it comes to Fenty Beauty. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this review. I hope this video answered all of the questions that you guys may have had about this fragrance before you guys go out and buy it on August 10th or August 9th, because listen, when I tell y'all, y'all need her, okay? If y'all know me, if y'all know my recommendations, your girl got good taste or whatever, or at least I think so, gas me up in the comments and let me know. But I really, really love this fragrance, and I think you guys should definitely go ahead and pick it up. So if I missed anything in this video, just comment down below, and I'll be sure to comment back as soon as I can to answer your questions before you guys go ahead and spend your money. That's all I have. Make sure you guys subscribe to my YouTube channel. Give this video a big thumbs up. Drop a comment down below. Let me know if you guys picked her up already, if you guys plan on picking her up, if y'all got the sample, if y'all smelled it already. Comment down below and let me know. Let's just chat about this fragrance, because she needs a moment, okay? She deserves each and every moment from here until August 10th. So yeah, comment and let me know, and until my next video, I'll see you guys later. Bye.